Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your store name in Shopify and the basic details as well. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Shopify app, and after opening the Shopify website, simply we have to create an account on that. And after creating an account, simply we have to click on the settings, and after clicking on the settings, we have to click on the settings. And after clicking on settings, as you can see, the details are opened here. All type of settings are provided here. Simply we want to change our simple basic store details. So we have to click on this icon. As you can see, this is the editing icon. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has the name My Store. So if you want to change your store name, for example, I'm going to write here. As you can see, here's the store phone. If you want to provide the phone number which is linked to your store, which is provided by your store, you can use that here. And after that, as you can see, the email address is mentioned here. If you want to enter a new email address, you can also do that. Or if you want to use an old one, you can also do that. So as you can see, these all are provided here. Then simply you need to hit the save, and after clicking on the save, these details will be saved automatically. So as you can see, the name is changed and the phone number is not provided and the email is changed. If you want to change any kind of other details, you can also do that, like the currency is here provided. If you want to change the currency, you can also do that. Change the store currency or change the currency formatting. All the things are provided here. You can change them. So in this way, you can change your store name and the phone number and the email as well. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.